owners in the state of Montana, in the state of Georgia, in the state of Virginia, in the state of North Carolina, and most business owners don't even know we exist.
And Ken, as you were saying that, it just reminds me, we are a people-to-people business. This is what sets us apart is, they could go online and buy just about anything. But if they really want to, have access to this type of stuff, that's through us. We are the people that are bringing that to them. We are the ones that are going to, help them through all of this, be their contact. We don't want to just send them a video. That doesn't set us apart. What really, truly sets us apart, as I said, is being out there, being face to face, just having conversations, having the passion, if you will, and the commitment to say, I want to help. I really want to help. That's what I'm doing. And, people will say, are you still doing that thing? Well, of course I am. Why am I doing it? Because it helps people and makes their life better. So don't just send a video, family. Yes, we have these wonderful mobile app cards that have, for the business owner, that have the QR code on it, but you got to have a conversation first. That video is great, but it doesn't have as much impact until we actually talk first.
Exactly. And that moves out. A conversation came in yesterday, and by talking with the individuals and showing them, of course, they're states away, 7 states away, but I was able to show them just one thing I'm going to say is, and someone said it last week, and it came from Tony Robbins, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. Which means,
that's good,
case,
yeah.
If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So in my folder where I have emailed to myself, I emailed the 2026 Small Business Flyer. I emailed to myself the 2026 choice legal plan and the IDTL plan side by side. I emailed it to myself. So if every time I need it, if I'm not at home, I don't have to. I just go back and search it in my email because I already sent it to myself. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready.